Install the viewing head onto the bracket. First, connect the power supply to the interface. Turn on the power and press and hold the right power button for 2 seconds to start the tablet computer. Place the sample to be tested on the platform. There is an adjustment knob on the right side to adjust the brightness of the light. The knob on the front is used to adjust the magnification, which can be continuously changed from 0.7 to 5 times. After the tablet computer is powered on, it will automatically open the camera software. After placing the sample in the appropriate position, adjust the focal length so that the observation head rises or falls until a clear image appears on the screen. The first button is used to switch to the album. The second button is used to adjust the exposure mode, which includes automatic exposure and manual exposure. You can also adjust exposure time, brightness, contrast, and other parameters. The third button is used to add measurement tools, including straight lines, circles, crosses, etc. You can also select the magnification rate here. Based on the required magnification factor, different calibration parameters can be chosen. The fourth button activates the automatic white balance mode. The fifth button is wide dynamic balance. The bottom setting button allows you to adjust the resolution and frame rate. The blue button at the lower left corner can be used to adjust the size of the picture. The camera button on the right side of the screen can take photos directly and save them automatically. The camera button on the right side of the screen can take photos directly and save them automatically.